Hi guys, a very good morning. Yesterday I slept at around 12:30 because I was editing the day before yesterday's video, and it is being scheduled at 8 a.m. today. I know no one is gonna watch it at 8 a.m. but still it had to go on YouTube. So by any means after I completed my 10,000 steps, I sat down and tried to edit the video, and I did. And so yeah, so that's why I kind of woke up late. I woke up at 7, so I pretty much don't have time for gym, and today is leg day, so it doesn't make sense to go for leg day when you lack sleep, right? Also, you need to have some energy on leg day. That's why I've decided that I would go a little bit late today, like around 8 or 8:30, so that the crowd would be also less. Like 8:30 बजे लोग चले जाते हैं, मतलब जाना स्टार्ट कर देते जिम से. So yeah, that would be planned for today, and see you guys in the office. Bye. I came down to have something to eat. I need something to eat because I didn't have breakfast at home before I left for office. So I'm gonna eat some eggs, preferably an omelette. Looks good, to be honest. थोड़ा oily है, but that is okay. It's not even 10 o'clock and I've completed around 2,000 steps. So yeah, that's a good start to the day. Now on to the best part of the day. One of the best part of the day, lunch. So we have 2 floors for the canteen. Generally I go upstairs on the second floor because उधर ज़्यादा भीड़ नहीं रहती है. So lunch for today is 3 egg whites, soybean ka pulao, and mangoes. Let's go. I can't explain, guys, how good this is. God bless Ratnagiri. This is so good. अथर्व आंबा कसा आहे ब्रो? खूप गोड आहे भाई, खूप गोड. Very good lunch we had just now. It was so fulfilling. But now the thing is, I need to get ready for the leg day that I have today. I'm really scared, not because it's leg day. Don't get me wrong, not because it is leg day, but I need to get my tripod to the place where they keep all the leg accessories, the leg machines. It is kind of crowded place, and I don't want anyone to be getting disturbed in their workout because of my tripod. Black. Over.
Carrot or
PS4, guys. As a matter of fact, whenever I play this, if I'm 1v1, I play really good. But if it's 4 people, you can't actually see the pointer above the head of the player. So it becomes difficult to identify your player and play the game. But anyways, let's give it a shot again. Hey guys, I was very happily playing FIFA with my friends, with my office friends, I would say. Then my PM comes and tell me, bro, we have found a bug, please fix it. Let me tell you guys, जो कोडिंग मैंने अभी 1 घंटे में जितनी की है, मैंने पूरे वीक में इतनी कोडिंग नहीं की है. You know what can fix a person after this long session of coding? Long session, I won't say coding, I would say debugging. Because I believe that most of your job is debugging instead of, writing the code. So the thing that can fix you is a black coffee, guys. Black coffee can fix you with this trauma. After a long, super long debugging session, I finally solved the issue. I'm very proud of myself because I'll tell you why. The thing which I solved was a very latent issue, a very latent issue.
Hello?
I mean that's the problem with the legacy code, right? Legacy code base. You have to fix someone else's mistake, and that's very tedious to do. So yeah, finally I can go home. I'm at metro station, which will drop me near my home. हे जोपर्यंत ग्रीन होत नाही I generally book my metro ticket using WhatsApp, but the thing is, it was not working. When I asked the counter कि ऐसे क्यों हो रहा है, casually that lady said in some kind of attitude कि server down है. ऐसे ही server down हो सकता है यार. I mean, you know there are people who are on a travel and they are in urgency, right? They need to get their home. Are they gonna stand in long lines to get their ticket? No, right? It's some bullshit. I didn't even have to buy this. Can't they hire a good engineer to solve all their server issues? अभी मैं मेट्रो स्टेशन से उतरा and you know what time it is? It's 8:06 हो रहा है. So मैं घर से 12 घंटे बाहर था. I'm gonna get ready to go to the gym. I just came back from the gym and let me tell you, I feel amazing. I am sharing you this. So today at office, I had a very rough day and very tough day, I would say. I couldn't get through the problem that I wanted to solve, but at the end I did it. I was really mentally exhausted and my eyes were paining like hell. So in my mind it was going that I should skip the gym. एक दिन से क्या ही होने वाला है, skip करते थे आज. But let me tell you, regardless of how I feel, I went to the gym. Now the feeling that I'm getting right now after coming back to the gym, I wouldn't have experienced this if I would have just listened to my heart. So sometimes you just ignore how you feel and do things regardless, because the dopamine hit that you get after doing it, the joy that you get, the sense of accomplishment that you get, that is just like amazing. Now I know for a fact that I'm gonna sleep like a baby. The sleep is going to be amazing, but nevertheless, let me tell you how many steps I hit today. So I hit 8,389 steps, I think, which is pretty much okay, even though it is not 10,000. I think today's day was, I think it was overall a win, to be honest. So that's it for this video. So if you have loved this video and you have watched till this, make sure you hit the subscribe button, leave me a like, it would really help, and share your thoughts in the comment section below, whether you like it or not, whether it is criticism, whether it is just any other random comment. It would really help me a lot. So yeah, thank you guys and see you another one. Tab tak ke liye bye.